Yo, what's up? So there's a seagull. Okay, let me start. Let's see if you can see that shit. Oh, you can't. That's so gay. Okay. Let me try this again. Oh. There's a cat that died. It looks like it was hit by a car in the street. And I don't know if you can tell, but oh, that's a seagull that's picking up and it's dragging the body of this dead cat. Now, I first saw this cat at lunch, or when I was coming home, and its head had been all bashed in, it was fucked. And then when I came home, I went back to school for societies and came back, and the cat's head was gone. And I don't know, man, that's kind of fucked up, but whatever. Now this fucking seagull has picked up this cat and is now proceeding to drag it across the road. No! Stop! No, what are you doing? What are you doing, you seagull son of a bitch? I see you there. I see you with that dead cat's body. Oh, this is wrong. Someone's got to stop it! Stop! You fucking bitch. Someone's got to stop. I don't give a damn. No. I won't stand for this, motherfucker. I'm going straight for the door. Oh, yeah. Okay, open quietly. Alright, motherfucker, seagull. You seagull. 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 Stop it. What you're doing is wrong. What you're doing is wrong, seagull. Seagull. Seagull, stop. Seagull, I'm coming towards you, seagull. Walk away. Walk away. No, don't go close to that cat's body. Don't do it. Don't do it. Walk away. I will swear to God, I will fight you. Don't think I won't fight you over this, you seagull motherfucker. What are you doing, seagull? What are you? Oh no! Don't do that! Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong, seagull. Oh, stop it! Stop. There's the guts, in case you want to see. Stop eating that cat, seagull. Stop it. Stop eating that cat. Get out of here. Shoo. Shoo. Get out. Get out. Get out of here. What are you doing, seagull? What are you doing? What are you doing, seagull? What are you doing? Come on, seagull. Get out of here, seagull! Get out! Shoo! Shoo! Oh, he'll be back. There's no stopping. There's the dead cat, in case you're wondering. That poor dead cat. Where are you going? What are you doing? Yeah, you fucking... No! You get out of here! You get out of here, you seagull! You creep! You just eat another cat. Man, aren't you like a vegetarian or something? Come on. I thought you were like a fucking herbivore. Man, I don't know. Something feels wrong here. I'm just gonna walk away. I don't think there's anything I can do. Except actually move the cat, which I'm not fucking doing. I'm not doing that shit. Maybe later, I don't know. Doesn't feel right. Alright, I'm walking away. That seagull's going right towards that cat again. What are you doing, seagull? You gonna do the right thing, or are you gonna do the bad thing? Do the right thing! There's still time! Do the right thing, seagull. Do the right thing. No. Seagull. Seagull. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. Oh, seagull. Oh, seagull. Oh, this is in vain. I'm just gonna walk away. I don't even know what to do about this. You're terrible, seagull. You're terrible. Fucking seagulls, man. They're ruthless. They'll tear you apart. Okay, I've decided to come to this poor cat's aid. I'm gonna finally get rid of this seagull once and for all. Fucking, you walk away. You walk away. You walk away. I'm gonna chase you, son of a bitch. Fly away, Seagull! Fly away! Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, Seagull? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where do you think you're gonna go? Huh, Seagull? You son of a bitch! Where do you think you're gonna go? I'm gonna follow you, Seagull! There he is. There he goes. There he goes. Honestly, the only issue I have is that was probably someone's cat. Get out! Oh shit, there's another seagull. I don't know, I just feel like it's wrong for this poor cat to get devoured after being hit by a car. I don't know. Fucking birds. I'm gonna take a quick look at this actual cat. Man, that is fucked up. I see you, Seagull. I see you. Man, I don't know what I should do. I think I might actually legit pick up this cat. It's hard because I want the cat to be respected in death. But at the same time, it's just a fucking cat, and I mean, this is the natural order. This is just how it goes in the real world. So I don't know. Actually, it would be interesting. Let me know what you guys think I should do, or what I at least should have done, because by the time you see this, it'll probably be long after. I don't know. What's more? Oh, he's back. I don't know what's more important, the natural order of things or respect for the dead. It's pretty much what it comes down to.